All right, we got the new and improved. This is the Fan Cat. See how she does. CG real easy. This is a 4S 1500 in it. Walk out here just a little bit.
Safe mode, launch mode. On the way. Safe mode.
Whew, man, there is some wind today. Wow. Another just absolutely fantastic flying plane by Kyle. All of his planes fly so good. That's like probably 30–40% throttle, just cruising around.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
I don't know why I'm so nervous today, bro. Guess because I just crashed a plane. Let's see how it does for a landing. Off throttle. I'm not gonna make it on the ground at that time.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Ooh. Get down, get down, get down. There we go.
Ew.
Dude,
That shit is fast.
it's like I left off the throttle over there and glided all the way around that corner and still had that much momentum. That's crazy. All of his planes just glide so good. Like I almost want him to make something that doesn't fly so well so I can freaking land. You feel like you got some pretty good footage?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I lost it like 2 times, but
That's easy to do. Look how close we are to the fence.
catch it right there, right? When you were coming down.
When it hopped?
It down.
Yeah. No, I was trying to get it to the ground as close to those trees as I could. Because ideally I wanted it to land right in front of us, but that wasn't gonna happen.
Man, I didn't know that was going to be that fast.
It's pretty good, right?
It's pretty good. Now when I made that, I want to print that one with a 64 on it.
You easily could. This would be an easy one to edit. All right, let me just finish the video. All right, so you can see here, almost out of runway. We were pretty darn close to the fence, but all of Kyle's planes just glide so dang good this is what you end up with. You really need a bigger area to fly than what we have here at this church. So hopefully you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next video.